Hello everyone, today I am going to tell story Jesus calmed the storm. Matthew chapter 8 verse 23 to 27. Jesus had been teaching. One day he asked his disciples to go with him to the other side of the sea. And when he got into the boat, his disciples followed him. And behold, there arose a great storm on the sea, so that the boat was being swamped by the waves, but Jesus was asleep. And they went and woke him, saying, Save us, Lord, we are perishing. He said to them, Why are you afraid, O of your little faith? He rose and rebuked the wind and the sea. There was a great calm. And men marveled, saying, Of what sort of man is that even the wind and the sea obey him?
Bible verse.
Mark chapter 11, verse 22. So Jesus answered and said to them,
Subscribe.